Today I'm going to show you the easy ways to build charts in Qlik SaaS. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and click the bell icon. Using Insight Advisor, we can build charts very easily and quickly. The first one here is a KPI object, and there it is, it's built. The next one we're going to look at is ranking of sales. So we're going to use sales and category name to build a ranking chart. Now you'll see when I do that there are lots of other charts built as well, including a word cloud down the bottom here. So lots of valuable objects that can be built and then added to your sheets. The third chart we're going to look down is a map. In this case, we're going to map city and look at sales. So there, that is built nice and easily, and also there's a pivot table available if needed. Next one is a breakdown. And in this case, we're analyzing one measure with a couple of dimensions. And the dimensions will use a country and the customer. So we'll see on this chart here, we've got that analytics, so Germany there at the top, and a number of other charts have been built that can be useful for us to use in our objects. Okay, the next chart we're going to build is an overview, and this creates a box plot for us. And in this case, we'll use sales once again. And for the box plot, we're going to go and choose product category and also the country. Now, box plots are fairly useful for overall views, but they don't go detailed. The only detailed piece we get are the outliers there in blue. Next one we'll look at is some trending over time. And this time we'll use sales with the order date, and we can see there the value of the sales per day. Again, there are alternate charts that are built for us. And we'll go back and look at the next one now, which will be a comparison. So comparisons need a couple of measures. So we'll do sales first of all. And we'll look at sales by customer, by product. We'll do it by product. And now we'll need two measures. We'll go and look at gross profit as well. Now this is good because it shows us those outliers. We can analyze those very easily. And we can also have other charts being built for us that will be useful for us to show. Okay, and the last chart I think that we'll show for today is the Pareto chart. And so we're going to look at the contribution to sales by customer. And you can see once we go from the blue there, we're moving into the remaining 20% of sales. Yeah. Doing one more chart, we'll do the grouping chart here. So where we're ranking and grouping. This one's quite interesting because it allows us to see the top performer by country for gross profit, and we'll analyze that by the kind of product that it is. And that'll be the last one that we do. And you can see here, for example, in men's footwear, that snake boots are the #1 seller. But when we expand that out a little bit, we can see by country, which is the top product. So snake boots is a number of countries, but there's some tennis shoes there in Canada and the US as well. And just for good measure, one extra chart, and this last chart is a year-to-date calculation. And we can fine-tune this one later, but we're seeing the last 2 years, 21, 22, and also the rest of the sales for the product. So obviously we can customize that once we put that chart in. All right, if you haven't, subscribe, like, click the bell icon. Just to tell you about Luan, we do tips and tricks on Qlik, best practices, and we can